We just traded for this 2017 Sport 4-door. Has some really nice equipment on it, guys. It has an ARB steel front bumper, and the suspension is a Rock Crawler 2.5 with Fox shocks. He also put on a set of Method Racing wheels wrapped in 35-inch AT tires, and it's kind of hard to see in there, but it also has the Mopar big brake kit to add a lot of slow to the go. On the roof rack, it is an AEV detachable, which is one of the nicer ones on the market. This vehicle has very low miles and it is in great condition. Matching the front bumper, it also has an ARB steel rear bumper. You'll also notice the tow package in the rear with full-size matching spare. If you have any questions, please give us a shout at 502-459-9900.